Hello everyone. I'm just going to make a short video to because I'm quite excited. I just bought a Bokashi bean and I'm gonna start a Bokashi composting at my house. It is a little bit small to be honest, because I have a big family, like 7 of us, so it is quite small. It's for this size. I think it would be good for 3 or 4 size family, but we will try and see, because I will make a experiment on this. I've never tried Bokashi before, to be honest, so that's why I said I'm going to try an experiment and see how it goes. But I think as from my reading and my research, what I found out, that most of the findings say that this is the best method, one of the best method, because it's quicker to decompose, and also it is in a small or in a nice, bucket, so it's easy for you to store, especially if you live in an urban and small setting that don't have a large space to to do composting outside. So maybe you can try this out with me. If you're wondering what's this Bokashi and what's this and everything, so let me just show you. So it comes with a box with a lid on it, and there's also 2 compartments. So this is the outside, and also if you can see the inside, you can take out this one. This is where it separates the liquid, the dry compost. So basically the process is you put all the waste inside this bin, put a Bokashi. So Bokashi composting is an anaerobic process that use inoculate barn to ferment the kitchen waste. This one I bought, and in the next video I will show you all how to do it, and I will explain what is this Bokashi. Okay, so see ya.